today is so hot that I'm feeling like I'll melt. And I'm sorry if you can hear this fan sound, blizz, 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 fan sound, because today is so hot that if I stop this fan, I'll melt like butter and die. So, hi, hello, how are you? How are you people doing? I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I will give a chance to go to bed with me. You're nasty. I mean, I like that too. Dirty-minded people. No, that's not what I meant. What I meant is today I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine for you. And oh my god, because of this light I'm having this dark circle under my eyes, but actually there's nothing. It's because of the shade. There's a pocket in my eyes. But by the way, my nighttime skincare routine is actually very simple, like very simple, because I believe less is more. I don't need control. My brain is clusterfuck and I can't remember more stuff like those 10 step skincare, 50 step skincare. I'll probably forget to do that. So this is every night something that I do, and this is very easy and simple. So if you are someone who wants to start a skincare routine, never have done a skincare routine, or pretty much confused about how to approach skincare routine, and pretty much in short, if you are pretty much new to this skincare thing, if you want to do skincare and if you want to start a new skincare routine for yourself, then I believe this skincare routine is so easy and simple. This will be very helpful to you if you want to just drop in yourself in the skincare world. Also, whatever product I'll be using, everything will be listed down below. The shopping links will be also given. Those shopping links are actually my affiliated links. So if you shop from those links particularly, you will indirectly help my channel. So please do that. Oh my god, I'm actually not wearing any makeup. This is just a lip and cheek tint that I'm using. So that's that, and only little bit of eyeliner because this is too hot. Oh, also I'm wearing sunscreen as well because I went outside and I came home. This is night and this is so hot that I'm melting. Oh my god. And I don't have AC. I'm poor. This whatever is on my face before I go to sleep, before I do my skincare, this stuff needs to go. To remove my makeup, I use this Shalimar coconut oil. For me, this is the best product that I have been using since I was a teenager, since I started doing my makeup. I have a history of doing makeup because I used to dance and I used to do theater since I was a baby. So this stuff, this Shalimar oil, takes away everything. No matter how tough the makeup is, it breaks everything. But I'm not saying that you have to use this product. You don't have to. If you have any other oil, I know some people use Johnson's baby oil and some people use olive oil, or there are plenty of oil based there's plums balm. There's Arthridum's balm. There are many balm based, and there's sugars balm. So there are many oils and balms that you can use to remove your makeup. But removing your makeup is a very important step and you cannot miss it. And I will always recommend to use something oil based like coconut oil, baby oil, makeup removing balm. Micellar waters are good, but some people do have infection and some people do have allergies to micellar water, and micellar water not all the time can take makeup out. There are some mascara and some makeup substances which is so tough that it can only be broken by oil. Nothing else works on them, so I will always recommend to use something oily. This is my favorite product because I've been using this since I was a kid, and this doesn't break me off or nothing happens. And Shalimar is a very famous Bengali brand that is been in Bengal, West Bengal, in India for like God knows how many years, almost 100 years. This is a very trusted product by everyone in India. Now I will damp cotton and wipe it off in this upward motion. By the way, if you are a returning audience of mine, then welcome back, bestie. And if you are new here, then welcome to our den, baby. Hope you like it here. Now I will wash my face with TNW green tea face wash. My face is already wet. Now I'm going to slowly massage it in a circular motion. It has glycerin, so it can help reduce oily skin. But at the same time, this is a humectant, meaning it attracts water to the skin. It has almond oil, so you have to wash the face thoroughly to clean the wash properly. Also, I won't recommend this for anyone with oily skin. Now that I have washed my face with the face wash, now I will use Blue Nectar Rose Mist. I have done an elaborate review of this product. The link will be given down below, so please check out. Rose water has been used as a toner for thousands of years. In South Asia, in Middle East Asia, rose water is being used as face mist, as toner, because it's very refreshing. This product, Blue Nectar, is actually very refreshing and I like it very much. So after cleansing, if there's any dot and dead cells left, this toner clears them. Also, it prepares the skin for the next step. After this, we will go for serum. Now, sometimes I use sheet mask before serum, but tonight I'm just too tired. So I won't use sheet mask. I will just use a serum. For serum, I use Minimalist Tranexamic 3% and HPA acid serum. This is a very powerful serum. This is helping me with my melasma, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation problem, like, anything. So far, the best. I have been having these issues for such a long time, and this serum helped reducing them. Now it's time for moisturizer. For face and neck, I use Biotique Green Matcha Gel Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating. But the thing is, I do not like this product. I'm using it because I bought it. This is quite expensive. I kinda do not like this product, so I'm not recommending anyone this product. This product has matcha and this product has hyaluronic acid. So if you think this is your gig, you can buy it, but I will highly recommend, please do not buy this product. This itches like fuck. At least I think I'm allergic to something that's in there. I cannot guarantee for anyone because I have a very good skin, but it's sensitive. So if it's irritating my skin, and I am pretty much sure it will irritate other people's skin as well, so do not buy this product. It has dimethicone, which makes it luxurious to touch. It has glycerin, which pulls moisture up from the lower levels of the skin, which is the dermis, to the upper level, which is the epidermis.
essentially allowing the skin to help moisturize itself. It also has green tea extract and hyaluronic acid.
For eye cream, I'm choosing Biotique's Bio Almond eye cream. I have done an elaborated review of this product. I have 2 videos dedicated to Biotique products. So especially this one. So I will give that link down below. So please check out. By the way, have you followed me on my social medias like my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter? I kid you not, I really reply there and I regularly upload new makeup looks there. I give small short tutorials and mini reviews of products there as well. I make funny, goofy and silly reels on Instagram. So if you really want to talk to me and want to see what I do, fun stuff, all the fun stuff, then please follow me on my social medias. Also, my Twitter is quite active. I generally love talking to people, especially on social media through texts. I'm not a call person, but social media text is my jam. So I talk a lot with people and I keep on doing fun stuff. So please follow me there. Links will be given down below. And for body lotion, I'm using this one. This is TNW Avocado Moisturizing Body Lotion. I have done also an elaborated review of this product. Link will be given down below. So if you want to know how this product is, please check out that video as well.
Last but not the least, hydrating our lips are important. So for that, I'm using Kaya Derma Naturals Lip Balm. Again, I have reviewed this before, so the link will be down below.
So I'm set for tonight. I'm now going to drift away into my dreamland. Before that, I need to take off my good dress and need to wear pajamas. Then I will go to sleep. I hope you like this cutesy night routine of mine. This is very simple, just 4 products and that's it. As I said before, I don't believe in 10,000 different steps because most of the time I am pretty much sure that I'll forget about those steps. This is my very short and simple skincare routine. I religiously follow this routine. Like I never skip this routine. See, skincare routine is like if you follow this routine, like one day you do, next 5 days you don't. I'm not sure that you will get any result from your skincare, but if you follow any skincare, may that be very short and simple like mine. If you religiously follow these steps, I am pretty much sure your skin will be better. Please follow your skincare routine every day. Also, skincare is a unisex thing, so it's not like it's only female thing. Anyone with human skin can do skincare. Do you understand? I'm going to sleep. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please boing that like button. Share with your friends who wants to know about skincare. Don't think about gender, just share it. Subscribe. If you don't subscribe, my channel will not grow. If my channel will not grow, how can I bring amazing videos that I have planned for you back to back? I cannot. Please subscribe and help your sister to grow. Bye bye. We'll meet soon.